paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a surprise gift box today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require our colorful crayons, paper and pencil. Now, let's fold the paper into half and then fold it like this. Did you see how it's opening? Lovely! Now, let's close it this way and start making our box. For a box, we will make a rectangular shape with curved edges. For this, we are going to make a plus sign. And now, why don't we make the beautiful ribbon on top? Did you see how it opens? Yes! Now, it's time for us to make our cute little monster. For this, we will make a curve. And now, let's start making his scales and the tail. Let's make his hand and then his eyes. Well, it's a monster and we are going to make an oval eye for it. Yes, only one eye. Now let's make his smile and his teeth. Now, let's start sketching it with our black sketch pen. Let's make sure that we sketch it right on top of our drawing. Let's complete sketching the entire drawing together. Once we are done with this, why don't we erase all the pencil marks which we see right here? Yes, be very careful while erasing, or else your paper might tear. Now, it's time for us to color the gift box. Why don't we choose our own colors and start coloring? Well, for the background, we will make sure that we're using a light color. Let's do it for all the 4 parts. And now, it's time for us to take the dark purple color. Now, why don't we make cute little dots right here? This is so much fun! After that, let's take yellow color and do the center ribbon part. Let's do the outline and then color inside. Why don't we do all the ribbons with the same color? And well, now it's time for us to color our monster. Why don't we use a cute color for him? Yes, we can use a blue color here or whichever is your favorite color. Let's keep a tissue paper on top so that our colors don't smudge. Or else, if our hand touches there, the color might smudge or spread. Now it's time for us to color all the white spaces. Can we do it together? That's great. Let's color in one direction. Once we are done with that, let's do the hand nicely. Great! Now it's time for us to take a darker blue color and make these spots. And our gift box is ready. Can you see a cute monster right here? If you want, you can make such pop-up boxes as well. And we are ready! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.